Good morning, students. This is B. Prashanti, lecturer in Biochemistry, Department of Biochemistry in MVNJS and RVR Degree College, Malkipura. Today, I would like to explain Biochemistry 5th Sem syllabus outcomes and objectives. Now, I would like to explain course objectives. The major learning of objectives of the course is understand the following topics: the physiology of digestion, muscle and blood, the physiology of endocrine system, the basic nutrition and its importance, the diagnosis methods of disorders of vital organs, immune response, vaccination, and immune diagnosis methods. Now, I would like to discuss about the syllabus. Adikavi Nannaya University CBCS semester pattern on biochemistry. The paper title was Physiology, Clinical Biochemistry and Immunology. The first unit was Physiology and digestion process. Digestion is the process of mechanically and enzymatically breaking down of food into the bloodstream. In this unit, we should learn to digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, lipids and proteins, composition of blood and coagulation of blood, transport of gases in blood like oxygen and carbon dioxide, muscle structure and myofibrin and mechanism of muscle contraction. The second unit was endocrinology. Endocrinology and organization of endocrine system. Endocrinology is the study of hormones and hormones are the essential for our everyday survival. They control the temperature, sleep, mood, stress, growth and etc. In this unit, we should learn to hormonal reactions and classification of hormones and chemistry, physiological rules and disorders of hormones, hypothalamus and thyroid and parathyroid gland, gastrointestinal tract and placenta. The third unit was nutritional biochemistry. Classification of nutrients, calorific values of food and their determination of calorimetry, BMR factor affecting and significance of BMR. BMR means basal metabolic rate and specific dynamic action of foods and energy requirements and biological values of proteins. The fourth unit was clinical biochemistry. Disorders of blood coagulation and types of anemias and like sickle cell anemia and liver, structure and function of liver, jaundice, liver function tests and conjugated and total bilirubin in serum and like SGPT and GGT, alkaline and biological buffers and kidney structure, nephron, urine formation and maintaining acid base and electrolyte balance in the body. The fifth and last unit was immunology. Organization of immune system, innate immunity and acquired immunity, organs and cells of immune system and cell mediated and humoral immunity, structure of IgG, classification of monoclonal antibodies and antigen antibody reactions and ELISA and recombinant DNA vaccination. Now I would like to discuss about the practicals. Nutritional and clinical biochemistry, estimation of vitamin C by 2,6-dichronophenol and indophenol method, estimation of hemoglobin in blood, total count of RBC and WBC, differential count of WBC and determination of blood glucose and RH typing, urine analysis for albumin, sugar and ketone bodies, estimation of serum creatinine and estimation of blood glucose, estimation of serum total cholesterol. Now I would like to discuss about the course outcomes. At the end of the course, students should be able to describe the physiology of digestion, muscle and blood, the physiology of endocrine system, the basic nutrition and its importance, the diagnosis methods of disorders of vital organs, immune response and vaccination and immune diagnosis methods. Now I would like to explain the program outcomes. The program outcomes and specific outcomes of biochemistry. After completion of biochemistry program, students will able to get exposed to strong theoretically and practical background in fundamental concepts. to get initiate the multiple important technical areas of biochemistry, to apply the knowledge and modern tools of biochemistry research for solving problems like corona and etc. Viral diseases, to make them able to do clinical biochemistry test and make them practice it and etc. The foreground specific outcomes was handling microbial and biochemical systems and modern biology meet emerging talent and etc. Thank you very much.